we will demo how hospitality operators are using digital ordering to combat staffing issues, streamline their ordering, and better delight customers. Please note, if you are using Clover POS, you are not required to use a Tabski order display system. Order display systems come in handy if you have a need to text message a customer to come pick up their order. If instead your staff is delivering items to your customers' tables, we don't recommend using an order display system. For the sake of the demo, we will be incorporating the usage and showcasing the benefits of using Tabski order display systems. For starters, we already scanned a QR code to be brought into a branded digital ordering web page. Since this is a demo, we are using a computer. There is no app download necessary as it's designed to be quick and efficient. Now that we have accessed the menu, we are ready to order a drink and some food from the available menus at this specific QR code location. I'm going to start by grabbing a beer. Next up, we are pretty hungry, so we are going to get an appetizer and a burger. We are going to choose all of our desired modifiers for our burger, and now we are ready to review our order. When using the app for the first time at a venue, it will ask for the customer's phone number to do a security check. Don't worry, your customers will never be asked for their phone number again while using Tabski at this venue. After completing the two-factor security check, it's time to send our order. Tabski will then ask the customer for the first time and first time only to add a credit or debit card if they are a first-time user. Since I've already entered my credit card on the Tabski network at a different restaurant, it's not asking me for my payment method. You will notice before sending our order, it is requiring us to pick a default tip option. The option the customer chooses will be their default for your venue whenever they place future orders. They can also manage this in their wallet of the app. Now that our order has been placed, you will notice the order is showing up with only the food on our order display system. This is because our drink routed to a separate bar display system at the bar. On the consumer app, the customer has real-time order tracking show their order was confirmed and has yet to be accepted by the waitstaff. The cook or bartender can now easily status the ticket by tapping on it for the first time. The ticket will turn orange and also update the customer that the order is being prepared to better manage the guest experience. Once the order is complete, the cook or bartender will do the final bump. It's important to note, many venues using Tabski use a text-to-pick-up model. When orders are ready, you can text your customers with specific instructions on where to pick up their order. For example, a kitchen display may prompt customers to pick up food in a kitchen window or food truck, whereas a bar display will tell customers to head over to a designated spot at the bar. Now that our initial order is complete, we are going to grab one more beer. We can easily do so by navigating to our tab and hitting the reorder button. If the venue happened to have run out of that item, they do have the ability to reject the item and alert the customer. This will not only show a prompt on the customer's phone, but it will also send them a text message alerting them they will be issued a refund. In the event this happens, all orders will immediately post to your Clover POS under the Orders app. You can easily refund the customer from there. In most cases, since your menu syncs with Clover, as long as you manage turning off your items on Clover, this shouldn't happen often. In the inventory section, you can also toggle items off in Tabski from the KDS. This is especially convenient for bartenders or cooks in the kitchen. Some other features that come in handy for both the back of house and front of house is order batching. This feature enables the venue to group orders from the same tables and consolidate the number of tickets in the kitchen or at the bar. For example, you might set a 2-minute order batch time for your kitchen. This means when a table is occupied, once the first person sends their order through, It will group any other orders sent by that table in the next 2 minutes. This feature should only be used for customers who have multiple unique QR codes and table numbers. If you only have one QR code for your entire venue, do not enable this feature. Once the customer is ready to go, they can easily ask for their electronic receipt and be on their way. Together, we are reinventing the hospitality industry